Welcome to Learners University. My name is Rupal Kaur Anand, and in today's class we will start with the fraction. We will start what are fractions. Fractions are basically a part of whole. Let's take an example. Suppose we have a pizza which is divided into 8 parts, and we have 4 friends A, B, C and D. Suppose each friend wants 2 pieces of 8 pieces. That means that 8 is the whole and 2 is the part of a whole. So the fraction is written as 2 by 8, 2 by 8, and like this. Let's take another example. Suppose these are 21 stars, and we have to divide these stars in these 4 children or students. So let's say 21 is the whole stars and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose 5 by 21 is given to A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 21. Similarly, 5 by 21 and 5 by 21. 21 are the total stars, and out of 5 is given 5 of them is given to D, C, 6 of them given to B and 5 of them given to A. If we total all these 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 5, it comes out to be 21 stars. Now let's understand how do we write a fraction. As I've told, fraction is written like this. So this is called as numerator, and this is known as denominator. Now there are 7 types of fraction, but today let's understand what are like fraction and unlike fractions. Like fractions are those fractions whose denominator are same. For example, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7. You can see that the denominator of each fraction is same. So these are like fraction. Now don't be confused. The numerator can be different, but denominator should be same and must be same. Now what is unlike fractions? Unlike fractions are those fractions whose denominator are not same. They could be of any number, any numerator or denominator. One important thing that you must know, that when we are adding or subtracting two fractions, we need to make sure that the denominator of the number are same. We cannot add these two fractions or these two fractions. We need to make these fractions into a like fraction, then we will add or subtract these fractions. Now let's understand what are unit fractions. Unit fractions are those fractions whose numerator are always 1. The denominator can be anything, but the numerator must be 1. These are known as unit fraction. Now let's understand what is improper fraction and proper fraction. Improper fraction. Now improper fractions are those fractions whose numerator is greater or equal to denominator. Whose numerator is greater than denominator, opposite to proper fraction. Proper fractions are like in which numerator is smaller than denominator. Here numerator is larger than denominator. For example, 27 by 20, 9 by 6, 7 by 4, 4 by 3. Here you can see that this is exactly opposite. That's it for today. In next class, we will be studying about mixed fraction and equivalent fraction. I hope you have understood the basic of fractions and how it is written, what is numerator and denominator. That was it for today. Have a good day. Stay connected to learn more. Subscribe Learners University.